Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Do you know YouTube has hidden settings that can save you a lot of mobile data? In this video, let me show you how. Open the YouTube app on your phone. Now tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the gear icon at the top right. Now scroll down and find this option called data saving. And here, toggle on data saving mode to reduce video quality and limit higher resolutions on mobile. Now still in settings, go to video quality preferences. For mobile networks, select data saver or set playback quality to 480p. Next, go to downloads. Scroll down, here it is. Tap this three-dot menu icon at the top right and go to settings. Now change the download quality to low or medium instead of high. Finally, disable autoplay on home. For that, again go to settings. Scroll down and find this option called playback. Now toggle off this autoplay next video option. This stops videos from autoplaying as you scroll. And that's it. Just by tweaking these hidden settings, you can save a lot of mobile data while still enjoying YouTube. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.